Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the wax ring on your toilet. There's been a strong odor of sewer gas coming out from this toilet, and we figure the problem is a worn out or damaged wax ring. So we're going to go ahead and replace it, but instead of using a traditional wax ring, we're going to use this reusable one. It's fairly easy to install. I'll run you through the steps, so stay tuned. First thing you're going to want to do is grab your tools. I got a couple scrapers here. That'll be to get the wax off, then your wrench, and you're going to use a plunger as well. So first step, we're going to shut off our water. It's located at the back of the tank here, either coming out of the wall or from under the floor. Once that's shut off, you're going to flush your toilet. Once most of the water's come out, just give it another push. And then there's still some water in here, so I'm going to use my plunger to force it down the hole. Once that's done, we're just going to set our plunger aside. Now our next step, we're going to relocate the camera for you and show you how to get the bolts off. Alright, so we're here under the toilet now. So we're just going to set some paper towel under our water shutoff, because there will be some water coming out of it. And we're just going to loosen this up. So once that's disconnected, we're going to take off our decorative cap right here. And then you're going to use your wrench take off the bolt, and you're going to do the same directly on the other side of the toilet. Alright, so now the toilet's ready to come off the floor. Alright, so we have a garbage bag sitting on the floor. We're going to lift it right off of the floor and set it on this garbage bag and start working on it. If you have any kind of caulking around it, you might need to use your scraper to just separate it. So now that it's come free, we're just going to lift out. Now if you want to, you can take the paper towel that you used and just set it down in here. Just don't forget to take that out. That'll stop some of the sewer gas from coming out. Then we're just going to scrape this wax. That actually came up easy, and you can see how nasty and damaged that is. Alright, so we've gone and opened up the package, and inside you have a spacer, and you have your new seal, and you got a little bit of hardware here. So our screws are stuck in there pretty good, so we're just going to leave them in. However, if you want to use these, you just stick them in, twist 90 degrees and slide into position, but we're not going to do that. So what we're going to do, you have to determine the position of your flange right here If it's below the floor, you want to use this spacer, but we're not going to do that. We're going to set this down over top. Just like that. Then we're going to set our toilet on over top. Now once the toilet's in position, we're going to put our screws back on. Put our cap back on. Same thing on the other side. Then we're going to reconnect our water line. Now we're going to turn our water on. While it's filling up, just check for sturdiness. Make sure your toilet's not rocking back and forth. This one's nice and solid, so we're good. Then we're going to give it a couple flushes, make sure there's no leaks in the flange, and then we're good to go. Alright, so there's no leaks. So hopefully you found this helpful. And hopefully you'll make the switch from this nasty little thing here to one of these. Nice and easy. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.